Well, hello everybody, my name is Marek Gendral and welcome to the next video. Today we will speak about the Binance again, but we will talk about the topic called where to buy Bitcoin. So this is complete guide, or let's say tutorial for 2025. Yeah. First of all, what is very necessary to say is that, and maybe answer the question, why Binance? Why we are choosing Binance to buy Bitcoin? So first of all, choosing the right crypto platform is essential for buying Bitcoin safely and efficiently. And Binance ranks among the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, known for its high quality and extensive range of cryptocurrencies. So main advantages are, for example, high quality, so fast transactions with minimal price slippage, strong security, wide payment options, user-friendly interface, global accessibility. It supports users in multiple countries with localized services, educational resources, advanced trading tools, low fees, and so on and so on. Yeah. So first of all, we made a video about step-by-step guide how to begin your journey on Binance. So first of all, you need to create an account, then identity verification, fund your accounts, then of course buy Bitcoin, and then secure your Bitcoin. So but let's say about the payment methods. So first of all, you need to deposit. Here are the main options. So as you see, you got the bank transfer, which is a direct transfer and secure, and usually incur lower fees compared to card payments, credit and debit cards, and peer-to-peer trading, where you can buy Bitcoin directly from other users, and crypto deposit. So basically, you can deposit like euro or dollars, then convert to Bitcoin, or just directly with card buy a Bitcoin or you can easily, of course, transfer your Bitcoin from external exchange. Yeah, you got here the button next to the logo of Binance. Buy crypto, and here you can easily click. The minimum is I guess €10. You choose Bitcoin, and then your paying method, right? So as you see, there are a lot of options like Revolut, Visa, MasterCard, your Euro Balance wallet, yeah, then Google Pay, Apple Pay, of course. Okay, so basically here you can see how it works. Enter amount of select payment, confirm order, and receive crypto. You can also trade here on spot exchange, which means it's like advantage. It's for advantage for people who are advanced, right? Because there are a lot of possibilities how to buy Bitcoin on the spot exchange, a lot of type of orders like limit market, stop limit, and so on. But this is on the next video. And of course, which is very important, is security, because Binance is let's say the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, and Binance, their users can store and their Bitcoins, and let's say in a safe way. Yeah, because you can enable two-factor authentication. You can of course easily verify platform legitimacy, and so on and so on. So let's say Binance is still a very safe place to store your cryptocurrencies. But of course, some tips for you, because learning to navigate Binance efficiently, keeping security a priority, and staying informed about market trends ensures beginners gain confidence and build a strong foundation in cryptocurrency investing. So keep in mind that you should start in small, research the platform, so go through the platform, diversify investment, and stay updated and follow news trends, market indicators, and so on. So, as we said, why Binance? Yeah, we are talking about the Binance as biggest platform. To recap, choosing the right platform again is a critical in 2025. Binance stands out for its security, liquidity, and range of features, making it a top choice for users worldwide. So factors like such a payment method, fees, transaction speed, and regional regulations should guide your choice, right? So, as I said, Binance is a reliable place to buy Bitcoin in 2025. As I said, a lot of features in there, right? So you can use Bitcoin for spot trading, which is like purchasing and selling Bitcoin for market prices or limit prices. Then we got the margin. You can also Bitcoin buy with the leverage, right? So basically you are not buying the Bitcoin, but you are working and trading with some contracts, right? So you can put the orders on margin trading. Then you got also peer-to-peer, which means basically you can sell or buy cryptocurrencies directly from other users. So this is very advanced feature. Then you got a lot of other stuff, how to trade the Bitcoin on Binance. Of course, you can use trading bots, use copy trading, right? So here are, for example, trading bots you can choose from. A lot of, yeah, as you see. So there is also marketplace and so on. Very important is Academy, because you can easily learn about the cryptocurrencies, and basically Binance provides you the full package and the ideal place where to buy Bitcoin in 2025. So I hope the video was very informative. I really enjoyed it. So we hear us later, and have a nice day. Bye.